Today we headed towards Skagway and we seen the Welcome to Alaska sign.
It's our blessed adventure. It's our blessed adventure.
Skagway is also a town where a bunch of cruise ships comes in.
Yeah.
So it's winter still and it's June. Look at this.
Beautiful.
It is fantastic.
It's a beautiful drive. Wow, the mountains have been incredible with all the snow on.
It's unbelievable.
And snow clear up to the road.
We looked out on the
ice on the water.
Yeah, we looked out on the water and there's still ice. That's awesome. Look at this view around us.
It's gorgeous.
Follow the course of the road.
And there's the RVs right up there. We made it to Alaska again.
I can't believe it, but I'm here.
So it's awesome. It's awesome. We're having a great time.
Very thankful.
I wish we could have got it on camera, but just before we pulled up here, as we're coming here at Skagway, big old moose ran across the road. So far, we've seen grizzly bear, black bear, moose, foxes, porcupines, and that might be it. So hopefully we'll see much more. Once we got to Skagway, we spent a few days checking out the town. Like we said, it's a cruise port town, so there's lots of little small shops and stores you could go to, and of course you get to see cruise ships in the background as they come into port. And while we were there, we got to see several, 3, 4, maybe a day that comes in, and they said that happens throughout the whole season. And then it was time to leave Skagway, so we loaded our RVs onto the ferry. Things up on the ferry. I'm already back there. Glenn's coming on. And then we have Steve. He'll be coming in next. Watching me.
You're watching me.
Nope, don't duck. Don't be trying to hide. Don't try to hide. There you go. All right. So we're all in here. We got Steve and them there. And
This for our partners.
we're all the way snuck back in there. Got one more vehicle to come on for our group, and we'll be done. So we're waiting for them to come through there. the right just a little bit. That's where we came in, down that ramp, and then we loaded in that door right there. We got a couple cruise ships there and there. Then you got a couple cruise ships there and there. And we're gonna be in here. You can see Kimmy right there as a reflection through the window.
Well, good afternoon and welcome aboard the Hubbard. Following announcement is being made for your safety and in accordance with the United States Coast Guard regulations. In the possibility of an emergency aboard the ship, you would hear the general alarm sound for a period of 10 seconds or more, and would be followed by voice announcements given over this public address system. Upon hearing these signals, everyone must dress as warmly.
Here you can see the chart where we're traveling through in the channel. Gives you all the water information and shows you where you're at. You have this small diagram here, and then you have the bigger diagram over here.
Getting ready for the wind up.
So they made it over. So this is going to be the exit, right out from the ship, right up that ramp, right out into Haines. And you can see the sign out there. It says, "Welcome to Alaska." But we were just in Alaska, in Skagway, so. Once we made it to Haines, Alaska, it was time to start getting our fishing on. So we bought our fishing license, picked up a few fishing supplies, and then we headed down to the dock and did a little fishing. Had a great time, spent a few days there, and this is where we decided it's now time to go out to catch the big ones. This was just a warm-up for what's to come later in the trip. Everyone got warmed up and everyone caught a fish while we were here in Haines. So we were all ready for the future smackdown. If you haven't put Alaska on your travel list yet, put it on there because Alaska is absolutely beautiful. We hope you enjoy following along with us as we travel through Alaska. If you like what you see, please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, share it with your family and friends, and if you have not subscribed yet, please push that subscribe button. It is totally free. And We hope that you continue to follow along. We appreciate all of you that watch on a regular basis and all of you that tune in from time to time. Thank you. Have a blessed day. And thanks for watching Noel's Blessed Adventures.